Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Students, in this video we are going to discuss about a very important topic, that is radical equations. First of all, we define what are radical equations. You can see the definition. An equation involving expression under the radical sign is called a radical equation. So you can see here are some examples. You can see the radical sign and ax plus b is equal to cx plus d. Yes. Now next is the types of radical equations. First of all, type number 1. In type number 1 you can see this is the general form. Ax plus b within the or under the radical sign is equal to cx plus d. Here is an example of type 1. You can see 3x plus 7 is written under the radical sign, that is equal to 2x plus 3. So in this type of equation, type of radical equation, there is only one radical sign. So that's why you can say that it's the first type of radical equation. Now come to the type 2 radical equation. First, see the general form. Yes, x plus a under the radical sign plus x plus b under the radical sign is equal to x plus c under the radical sign. Now see the example. X plus 3 under the radical sign plus x plus 6 under the radical sign is equal to x plus 11 under the radical sign. Simply you can say that in type 2 of radical equation there are 3 radical signs. Now next is type 3 of radical equation. Here you can see the general form, that is x square plus px plus m within the radical sign plus x square plus px plus n within the radical sign is equal to q. Now you can see here an example of type 3 is given. X square plus 3x plus 9 within the radical sign plus x square plus 3x plus 4 within the radical sign is equal to 5. So when we solve in type 1, we have to take 1 times square on both sides to get the roots of that radical equation. In type 2, when we want to solve and get the roots, we have to take square on 2 times. In type 3, when we want to solve and get the roots, we have to take square root maybe 1 time or 2 times. So in this video, dear students, we have learned about the radical equations, what are radical equations, and their 3 types. So I hope that you have easily understood the definition and the types of radical equations. Inshallah, in the next video we will discuss about what are extraneous roots. Thank you very much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.